UPSC preparation becomes overwhelming when every subject, test, and opinion pulls you in different directions. The real challenge isn't effort, it's organizing that effort with structure. Lakshya Integrated Mentoring Program 2026 brings that structure into your journey with a clear, phased progression that keeps you focused and moving forward. It begins with the integrated learning phase where GS, CSAT, essay, ethics, and current affairs work together, and your understanding becomes sharper and more coherent. As the exam nears, you move into the Prelims Precision Phase, where accuracy, pattern recognition, and measurable practice define your preparation. After prelims, Lakshya transitions you into the mains mastery phase, helping you articulate ideas with balance, clarity, and administrative depth. Finally comes a personality development phase, where you refine how you think, respond, and present yourself with composure and maturity. Your journey advances through 4 purposeful phases, from integrated learning to prelims precision into mains mastery and finally personality development, all designed to build you step by step.